Wow, such a beautiful day. The sun is much more out than it was the last time I made a video like this. Instead of children, there's fishermen. Well, not on the docks. Instead of pollen, the heat is making me want to die. And this time there is no kittens looking at birds in the sky. So peaceful. But literally yesterday, it was not like that by any means. Look at this! 30% chance for damaging wind. What transpired on July 3rd, 2023 was slightly more conceivable. Holy crap, there's another one! Ah! And you know me, not much happens here. The average video of mine has only 5 or 6 alerts in it. But in this video, why am I doing this? But after the last Pure Idiocy video, I made a deal to myself. In order to make these videos super rare, a video has to get over 12 alerts. This video got 13. Oh! It's for Charlottesville! Ah! So without further ado, the video solidifying that Pure Idiocy is now a series on my channel. I am proud to present to you the second episode of Pure Idiocy. The hell was freaking ghosts again. Okay, so I just realized I miscounted the alerts. I actually have 12, so here is a special weather statement that actually got toned over KZZ 28. This is super freaking rare, so deal with it and be happy. Oh. What the hell? Whoa. What?
Frequency is 147.300.
What? No way!
Spotters are encouraged to relay any severe storm impacts to the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia.
No way! What?
Severe weather safety rules.
No! Relay it again, you son of a biscuit! No way! This went off!
Situation very closely and ensure your lower weather radios are set.
What? I've never seen this before! They never issue these!
Temperature 92 with a heat index of 98. Southwest wind at 9, gust 8 to 16.
Holy crap!
With a heat index of 101. Wind southwest at 14. At Fredericksburg, mostly sunny. 91 degrees with a heat index of 97.
Wow. I don't know why this is such a shock to me. It's just they never issue these. They usually include these in a public information sheet or just a hazardous. They usually include it in the normal forecast. I was trying to use the bathroom, but nope. Wow, wasn't that amazing? Okay, back to the actual video. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? The day is, damn it! What's up, ladies and gentlemen? The day is July 3rd, 2023 on a Monday. Let's go! This wasn't supposed to be a video. I'm actually editing the video from July 1st that is already up on the channel, so you should go watch it right now. And I had my IEM bot open, you know, for no reason, because I'm stupid. And I saw something very, very interesting randomly pop up. So if you could see here, you see how it says mesoscale discussion number 1401? First of all, I saw this. I said, severe potential, severe thunderstorm watch likely. Watch probability 95%! That's pretty good. So I clicked on it, and this is what I saw. We are in it! So, yeah. We might be getting some severe weather, so I have to edit the first video as quickly as possible, because tomorrow I'm leaving for JMU. So, there's another video that's going to be coming out soon that you should go watch.
Spotter information statement. Spotter activation may be needed this afternoon and evening.
Uh-oh. You guys, you heard that. You heard that. This is probably going to be crazy. And I just realized there's mesoscale discussion. So we should, look at this. What the hell's this? That's from North Carolina, bro. I don't care about that. I care about this, though. That's interesting. So, hopefully this becomes a video. Hopefully. It probably won't, because you know my luck. But, yeah, I will see you guys. I will see you guys if something interesting happens. Oh, there's one more thing I forgot to mention to you guys. Look what's going on here. Look at the day 1 risk. I don't even know what that was. 2% tornado risk. We are literally right on the edge of that. We might get some tornado warnings. Yo! Look at this. 30% chance for damaging wind. Once again, we're in some of that, and we're also right on the edge of the 30%. The hail, we're in the hail. Spot focus, off. And look, we're in the 15% chance for large hail. I am crazy excited. You know what it makes me want to do? It just kind of makes me want to... Now I'll see you when something interesting happens. Oh, what do we got here? Severe thunderstorm warning. Oh, they issue what? Hold up, wait.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Charlotte County in south central Virginia, southern Campbell County in central Virginia, northeastern Pennsylvania County in south central Virginia, northwestern Halifax County in south central Virginia until 3:45 p.m. At 2:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Grovna, moving a thick 30 miles per hour.
Grovna?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding,
focus, please.
and trees. Locations impacted include Hurt, Gretna, Brookmeal, Phoenix, Roadhouse, Mount Airy, and Natalie. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail at any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including down trees or lost.
Oh, another one has been issued.
Weather service by calling toll-free at 1-866-21.
No way. Oh, we're gonna be in this. Let's go.
The National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
We just got the warnings. Hey, go.
This is the
Wait, what?
Radio All Hazards Station.
There we go. Ah! Woo! There we go, baby! Woo! Yeah! Let's go! It's Frost!
Severe thunderstorm watch number 439, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Virginia: Amelia, Amherst, Appomattox, Buckingham, Charlotte, Cumberland, Fluvanna, Hootland, Louisa, Lunenburg, Nottoway, Powhatan, and Prince Edward. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Woo! We in this, baby! Yeah, I couldn't have guessed that there'd ever be a watch. Nah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace the batteries in this big boy right here. And, yeah, I'll see you when something else interesting happens. Holy crap, there's a I haven't even had time to change this dude's batteries yet. Why don't you ever go off? Okay, it's not for us.
Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 440, effective until 10 p.m.
And for
This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Albemarle, Augusta, Culpeper, Greene, Madison, Nelson, Orange, Rockingham, and Virginia, and the following independent cities: in Virginia, Charlottesville, Harrisonburg, Stanton, and Wilkesboro. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A statement from the National Weather Service.
Okay. Okay, it's time to replace you. Cool. Alright, it be working now. You be working. Well, barely. You barely be working. Because your same freaking thingy-majiggy built-in doesn't work, apparently.
Wednesday, partly cloudy.
What are you doing?
Upper 60s.
There we go. Woo, that's nice and cold. I'm so glad I installed my air conditioning unit in here. Because for those of you guys that don't know, this place, I kid you not, has gotten in the 90s. Like low 90s in this room. It's just wonderful. Okay, I'm gonna just, wait for something else to happen. Why am I not getting these? Oh. This is my... Oh, shoot. Oops. Oh, well. Thank you. Okay, got it. Shut the up.
Central Fauquier County in Northern Virginia, Northern Culpeper County in Northern Virginia, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Warrenton, moving at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Sit right here.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will have caused some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Warrenton, New Baltimore, Opal, Catlett, Calverton, Turnbull, Emily, Broken Hill, Auburn, and Casanova. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued severe warnings.
Sorry, my knife is out. Kids, don't play with knives. Play with these Thomas the Tank Engine lamps. They're awesome. No one cares. I just turned the camera off. What is this? Whoa, okay. Wait, what? Oh! It's for Charlottesville!
The service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Nelson County in Central Virginia, the city of Charlottesville in Central Virginia, Central Albemarle County in Central Virginia, until 3:45 p.m.
Oh, it's coming straight from me!
5 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Shipment to near Schuyler, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Charlottesville, Crozet, Shipment, Schuyler, Winter Green, Millisford, Ivy, Scottsville, Ismont, Livingston, North Garden, Cobesville, Yancey Hills, Tyro, Floden, Jonesboro, Scott Stadium, Faber, Masses Mill, and Brant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A statement from the National Weather Service.
Oh, here we go. Where is it? Bro, hurry up. God.
The National Weather Service
Ow.
in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Alright, who was it?
Northeastern Nelson County in central Virginia. The city of Charlottesville in central Virginia.
Oh, again?
Albemarle County in central Virginia until 4:15 p.m.
Oh, shoot, that is really close to us.
Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Louisville to 8 miles northwest of Schuyler to 8 miles north of Salisbury, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Ugh.
Impact, damaging roots will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees.
Great.
Localized power outages are
Stay
possible.
up.
Unsecured light objects may become projectiles.
Really?
Locations impacted include Charlottesville, Crozet, Shipman, Schuyler, Winter Green, New Lisford, Ivy, Scottsville, Ismont, Livingston, North Garden, Cubsville, Yancey Hills, Tyro, Fullerton, Jonesboro, Scott Stadium, Faber, Masses Mill, and Brant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia.
The lightning alert. Oh, gosh. That severe thunderstorm warning is coming, like, straight for us. Actually, I'm gonna seek shelter outside. Chewy box. Oh. Goes up there. I just felt a raindrop. Huh. Nice car. Alrighty, what's up? I had a really dumb idea, so I'm gonna go storm chasing. Maybe not storm chasing, more like storm avoiding just to get a better picture. Well, maybe. I don't freaking know. Just go. Let's hurry. Screw it, I'm taking this guy. Because why the hell not? It's raining. Crap. The radar is on. We are facing one of the storms right now. I guess we're just gonna watch that one to see if that one goes severe or anything. Oh man, this is the best view.
Around thunderstorm watch number 439, effective until 10 p.m.
Woo! Look at this.
Watch includes persons.
Man, some people are doing donuts here. That's f***ing sick.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch.
Oh! Oh! Here we go! Oh, you can't even see the LEDs out here.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe.
Whoa!
Southeastern Goochland County in central Virginia. Northwestern Henrico County in central.
Did you all see that? Holy sh!
In central Virginia. Northeastern Powhatan County in central Virginia until 5 p.m. At 4:09
Be careful now.
p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Goochland, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Goochland, Tuckahoe, Glen Spring, Odo, Mannequin, Montpelier, Sabo, Wyndham, Laurel, Crozier, Vontae, Maidens, Irwin, Johnson Springs, Gilman, Michelle, Sandy Hook, Jefferson, Coatesville, and Goodall. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warning.
Alright guys, the storm slowly running away from me, as you can see. Alright guys, I will see you guys back at the house.
Means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage.
Oh, here we go. Might want to pull over to get this.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Louisa County in central Virginia, northwestern Goodsland County in central Virginia, northwestern Caroline County in north central Virginia,
I wonder if that's ours.
northwestern Hanover County in central Virginia,
so.
east central Fluvanna County in central Virginia,
what?
until 5:15 p.m.
Oh!
At 4:34 p.m.
Oh no!
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northeast of Louisa to Mineralton near Havensville, moving east to northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size
I'm turning
hail.
around.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bumpath around 5 p.m. Ladysmith around 5:15 p.m.
Where is
Other
this?
locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Childsburg, Rappahannock Academy, Gallensville, Pendleton, Vilboro, Louisa Airport, Guinea, Corbin, Hewlett, and Cuckoo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. In central Virginia, until 5:15
Can't see the polygon. Why has it not showed up yet?
4:34 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northeast of Louisa to Mineralton near Havensville, moving east to northeast at 35 miles per hour.
Another one!
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Spotsylvania County and central Virginia until 5:30 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mineral, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles.
Alright, let's see what's going on.
Locations impacted include Alphatronics, Spotsylvania.
Wait, is that the one? Wait, where's the one for us?
Brokenburg.
Oh. It's over there. I think it's actually that one. This.
On the lowest floor of a building.
Why does the polygon extend into us? There's nothing there. I thought it was for this guy. I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna come back here and watch it, but no. Just one last look at this and we're gonna get out of here.
7-899
I don't know if I'm getting this because I'm trying to focus on the road.
Facebook page, using Twitter at until 5 p.m. for southeastern East Central Queensland, northwestern Italy.
Okay, the storm is weakening. We're just making our way with like the light rain bands. We're actually, right now we're going directly northeast and it's coming like right after us, but it's literally nothing now. Okay, we back.
70%.
Look at that, we made it.
Showers and thunderstorms. Service has issued severe thunderstorms 440, effective until 10 p.m.
Oh yeah, it was for us. So this thing got it. Look at that. I forgot. Yeah, it was for us. Barely, even though nothing was going to happen. Woo! All right, so yeah, that was fun. So we'll see if anything else happens. Okay.
Central Halifax County in South Central Virginia until 6:15 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Halifax, running at 15 miles per hour.
Evidently, yes.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Oh, that one didn't get it. Ow, go.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Boston, Halifax, Rudolph, Clover, Scottsburg, Mount Laurel, and Crystal Hill.
God damn!
Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result
We might get this, maybe?
standing water in low-lying areas and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downstream
That's that little, okay.
to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324.
Oh my god.
Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
Oh, let's see if it issues. 3, 2, 1.
The National Weather
Oh. It's flashing, it's flashing, it be flashing.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Ow. God. Hold on everything.
Central Campbell County in Central Virginia, Southern Buckingham County in Central Virginia until 10 p.m. At 8:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Toga to near Appomattox National Historic Park to near Spout Spring, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Buckingham, Appomattox, Dillon, Peppermint City, Toga, Appomattox National Historic Park, and Shepherds. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways. Standing water in
Did they just cancel it already? No way! Look! I was about to check this out. There it is. That's a huge gust front. Why are they canceling it? Well, I guess we'll figure it out.
Please send your reports of
No way.
any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including
What is this
downstream
for?
large winds, to the National
Oh, it's for
Weather
us.
Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324.
Okay, the risk has definitely gone down.
Pictures can also be shared on the
No way, look.
Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
Right, there it is. Then right here, listen.
The severe thunderstorm warning for Appomattox, northeastern Campbell, and southwestern Buckingham counties will expire at 9 p.m. The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the area. Severe weather is expected for
Let's go. Crap ton of flashes coming from over there. Jesus. Whoa, yeah, there's flashes going on up there. It's coming straight for our county. Whoa.
Following county, Nelson, Virginia.
Wow. Wow, the grass is really getting tall. I'm gonna have to mow this tomorrow. It's crazy. Wow. That's a funny sounding tornado siren. Oh, it is about to kill us right now. I think. Oh,
Central Virginia until 10 p.m.
who's that for?
At 9:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Evergreen or near Red House, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Crap, where's that?
Source, radar indicated.
Oh, down here.
Expects damage to trees and
There it
power
is.
lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Darlington Heights and Prospect around 9:45 p.m. Hampton Sydney College and Lyndon University around 10 p.m.
Holy crap.
Locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Grange Tavern, Blairy Creek Lake, Tuggle, Angola, Allensville, Philadelphia, McRae.
Yeah, we are about to get clapped right now.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
No way.
Move indoors immediately.
I couldn't have guessed.
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder,
Alright, it's really starting to rain now.
struck by lightning. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield.
Wow, you can see it up there. Look at it.
Issued at 9:12 p.m.
You can see that dark cloud right there. You see that line right there? It is just moving in super slowly, and it's about to kill us all.
At 9:11 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Lake Monticello, or near Palmyra.
Oh, that's us. Shoot.
Hazard, winds in excess of 30 miles per hour, heavy rain, and frequent lightning.
Oh, I couldn't have guessed. See that? Little couplet. Nothing to be worried about. Oh. That's not good. There's a little bit of hail on this. Alright guys, I honestly, you know what, that's it. I'm burnt out. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave you off with this storm footage, and that's gonna be it. So guys, if you like this, definitely leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Well, I will see you guys in the next EAS video. Hopefully this made up for that last piece of trash video that you probably saw. Hopefully not, honestly. But yeah, hopefully that made up for it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.